everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and it's time for our no-buy project pan. Ladies, that no-buy part has just, it went out the window. It's long and gone. I have 2 orders into Sephora, 2 to Ulta, 1 to Urban Decay, and 1 to Bath and Body Works. I bought some stuff. There's gonna be some huge hauls coming, and then no more. I'm now at my I got stuff coming in. When my stuff gets here, I'll haul it. We will do declutters because I'm one of these. If it comes in, something's got to go out. And yeah. So let's just jump right in. Let me catch you up on the ladies. Those of you who are in this with me. Now, I haven't heard from a while, but Joni was working on a Tarte foundation and Mary on 2 foundations in April, eyebrow products and a bronzer, but I haven't heard from them in a while. So, to those of you who are with me on this, Audra's down to the Balm Sexy Mama powder, and she's added her Cosmetics CC Plus foundations in both fair and light. She's used up some stuff. I'm not going to go over everything, but you can see, I don't know if you can see, where I scribble and then mark through when I get the updates. So that's the last word I had. Lisa was working on a Wet n Wild foundation. She gave her Rimmel foundation away to her niece. She was working on the Peter Thomas Roth primer, Becca Backlight primer. She still has her Angel Veil primer, and she's added, okay, I'm gonna say this, Vita Laborata Veil CC cream. She's added that to her list of things. And Beatrice has joined us, as you know. And Beatrice was working on six shades from her 120 color palette, eyeshadow palette. She used 2 shades. She was about done with 2 more shades, and then she's added a new shade. So she's working on that palette, but she's given herself little goals to work on that big palette. I think that's a great idea. Now me. Shape tapes. I got my stuff in a box here. Shape tapes. I'm almost out of this light one. I know I am so close to being out of it. The medium still has plenty. The medium is perfect to cover imperfections. Like, if I put on a foundation that is not full coverage, I can put the medium on my hyperpigmentation and just kind of blend it, and it's perfect. It hides that. So I'm not in such a hurry for this medium to go after all, because it does serve its purpose, but not for an under eye concealer. It's just not light enough. And this is just too light. So I really am ready for this one to go. So this one I'm going to stop focusing on. And, well, I mixed the 2 right now, so I'm going to continue to focus on it until this one is all gone. But this one is really, really close to being gone. When this one is gone, I will buy the correct shade of Shape Tape. Somewhere in the light medium range. And I will put this one back in the drawer and use it to cover up zits or hyperpigmentation and whatever. So that's where I'm standing right now. But I still have some of this. And like I said, I will allow myself to buy a new one when this one's gone. So that's where the Shape Tapes are at. So, pretty pleased with that. Let me move my thing. I'm still working on that big bottle of shampoo. It's not going to be done anytime soon because I don't use a whole lot of shampoo. My Color Pops. I've got Valley Girl and Tink. Guess what? I have not touched either one of these. How is Tink doing? Tink is hanging in. Well, I got to use them. I got to use them. Oh, it didn't swatch though. Watch what I'm doing. I just threw Tink in the trash, or in my empties. I am just not going to use that. I just know I'm not. Why hang on to it? Especially now I know that I've got more stuff coming in. Valley Girl is still, I'm sorry, shooting you a bird there. Valley Girl's still hanging on pretty strong, so I'm going to hang on to her. I don't know if I'll add more color pops later. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm not purchasing any more ColourPop Super Shock shadows because I'm just not using them. I'm just being honest. If you've got them and you love them, that's great. I went through a couple years where I loved Super Shock shadows, and then I quit using them. So, yeah, there we go. Now, the last thing was my Makeup Forever Ultra HD and my Rimmel Perfect Match. This is empty. You can't tell. It's one of these bottles you can't tell. I can't squeeze any more out. It's got the pump. No more will pump out. This is like just a little dab in the bottom. I'm good with that. I am done. Done with those. Yay. Yay. All gone. So, I am adding in to my project pan this Revlon Age Defining Firming and Lifting Makeup in Natural Beige. I'm going to start focusing on that one. And I need to use this one up because I've had it a while. It's not, I can tell it's not extremely full. It's pretty low. This is the Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil-Free Photo Edition Foundation. My color is in Beige Ivory. So I want to use that up. So I'm going to focus on those. And then last I added in a couple of little like sample sizes of liquid lips that I want to use up. The first is from M Cosmetics and it's in Rose Nude. And the second one is a Tarte Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. And I want to use these up. I'm going to leave these on the top of my makeup desk, and I'm going to throw them in my purse and just put them on when I just want to put some color on, not, you know, just for everyday kind of thing. So that's it. So I've got, let me grab my box. Let's recap what I'm working on. The two liquid lips, my Shape Tape, this Valley Girl ColourPop shadow, Revlon Age Defining Makeup, and the Laura Mercier foundation. So, let me know how you guys are doing. Anybody wants to join us, jump right in. Just leave a comment below on what you want to focus on. Jump in anytime. You know, if you want to go through your stuff and say, oh, you know what, I really need to use up some of my things. What I do with this is I'm not allowed to purchase anything like what's in here until these are gone. And I did order a foundation in my order, but I did use up 2 foundations, so I'm okay with that. Yeah. So that's the rules. You can't purchase a foundation till you use a foundation. And my rule is once I use up a drugstore foundation, I can buy another. Once I use up a high-end, I can buy another. With my Shape Tape, once this is gone, I can get the correct shade. I'm not buying any more Super Shock shadows. And the lipsticks, I just want to get some of these little ones out of my collection. So, thank you all for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.